What is the least number? Least number means n should be minimum, which when decreased by 7, I am decreasing by 7, it is minus 7. Answer is divisible by, answer is divisible by 15, 24, 28, 32. There is an n minimum value. If this value, when I decrease by 7, n minimum, if I decrease by 7, answer is divisible by any of these numbers. Now see here, how to eliminate answer options. Now see here, always look into, in LCM, here one number is divisible by 7. Whenever you are finding an LCM, input one number divisible by 7. Input one number divisible by 7. Output also it is divisible by 7. Input one number divisible by 7. Input one number. Take this example. LCM of 5 comma 7. LCM of 5 comma 7 is 5 into 7, 35. Input one number divisible by 7. Output also it is divisible by 7. This is divisible by 7. This is also divisible by 7. That means answer should be divisible by 7. Answer should be divisible by 7. Check which answer option. It is divisible by 7. What is the divisibility rule of 7? Take a group of 3 digits. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively plus minus. 97 minus 10. 87. 87 it is not divisible by 7. 77 minus 10. 67. It is also not divisible by 7. 67 minus 10. 57. It is also not divisible by 87 minus 10. 77 it is divisible. 77 it is divisible. I hope the idea it is clear. Very, very important note. Whenever you are finding the LCM, if input one number is divisible by 7, output also it should be divisible by 7. This is divisible by 7. This is divisible by 7. That means answer will be divisible by 7. How to check whether a number is divisible by 7 or not? Take a group of 3 digits. Keep a slash. Alternatively plus minus. Alternatively plus minus. These plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. 67 minus 10, 57, not possible. 77 minus 10, 67, not divisible by 7. 97 minus 10, 87, not divisible. Only possible value is 87 minus 10. Answer is 77. I hope the idea it is clear. You don't need to find these entire LCM and add it. Entire LCM and add it. Next one. The greatest number that divides, whenever there is a number that is dividing this number, 126 is getting divided by a number, it is giving a remainder to. Already we did this model. Then the number which will divide a number is the HCF. The number which will be divided by, right? Divided by. See here, sir. Very, very important concept. The number which when divided by, whenever there is a word divided by, I will use LCM. There is a number that divides, I will use HCF. The number which divides multiple numbers, I will use HCF. The number which when divided by, the number which when divided by, I will use LCM. This is a very important note, sir. The natural number which when divided by 5 and 3 gives a remainder plus 2. LCM of 5 and 3 into k plus 2. The number which will divide a lot of numbers. Divides is HCF. Divided by is LCM. The number which that divides 224 and it gives a remainder 7. And it gives a remainder 7. The number which divides 608 and it gives a remainder 19. What will be the idea, sir? 126 minus 2. Answer will be a factor and largest. So answer will be an HCF of 126 minus 2, 124, 224 minus 7, it is 217. 608 minus 19, it is 599. Answer will be 124, 217, 217 and 599. Whenever we are doing HCF, our entire concentration is on the smallest number. Smallest number is 124. 124 should be a factor of every number. 124 2s are 248. No, it is not. Take the factor of 124, 31. 31 7s are 277. 31 1s are 31. So it is, how much it is? 589. It is 508. 608 minus 19. 18 minus 9. So it is 589. 31 1s are 31. 279. So 31 will divide every other number. So answer for this question is 31. Answer for this question is 31. You do not need to do all this. You do not need to do all this. You can easily eliminate incorrect answer options. 27. If the answer is divisible by 27, all the numbers should be divisible by 27. 27. If the answer, whenever you are finding an HCF, if the output is divisible by 27, input every number should be divisible by 27. If the answer is 21, if answer is divisible by 7, input every number will be divisible by 7. 124, it is not divisible by 7. If the answer is divisible by 37, every number should be divisible by 37. 37 3s are 111, 37 4s are 148. So answer for this question is 31. If the answer is divisible by 31, every number should be divisible by 31. Yes, every number is divisible by 31. 31 4s are 124. 31 7s are 217. 31 19s are, it is 589. Please remember, whenever you are finding HCF, please make a note of this concept, sir. Whenever you are finding HCF of A1, A2, A3, if it is K, if the answer is divisible by K, if the answer is divisible by K, all should be divisible by K. Input all the numbers should be divisible by K. Whenever you are finding HCF, if the answer is divisible by K, input all the numbers should be divisible by K. Input all the numbers should be divisible by K. If whenever you are finding LCM, if the answer is divisible by K, LCM, at least one should be divisible by K. Minimum one element is okay. All elements should be divisible by K. That is for HCF. Extremely important point, sir. We will use this point to eliminate a lot of incorrect answer options. Please make a note of these points, sir. Whenever we are finding HCF, if the answer is divisible by K, input all the numbers should be divisible by K. Whenever we are finding LCM, if the answer is divisible by K, input at least one number is enough to be divisible by K. At least one number is enough to be divisible by K. Answer should be HCF. So immediately from now onwards, whenever you get 21 as the answer, check whether all the numbers are divisible by 21. Not possible, it cannot be the answer.